Side opposite left. The left goes back, right goes front. We'll do in spin first. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sides, top, sides, down. Second time, sides, top, sides, down. Third time, sides, top, sides, down. Last time, sides, top, sides. Now to anti-spin. Go around 4 times and 3 times. 2 more times. And last time, come back down, reverse again. Left goes back, right goes front. Top, sides, down. Second time, sides, top, sides, down. Third time, sides, top, sides, down. Last time, sides, top, sides, down. Now we're gonna reverse. So the left will go front, right will go back, and we're going into anti-spin. 5, 6, 7, and for 4 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Come back down. Take your left point, flip it to the right side, come into underhand butterfly. Take your right point, flip it to the left side. You're facing the right side of the room now. Left hand's underhand, right hand's overhand. We'll do in spin. Left will go forward, right will go back. 5, 6, 7, 8, and sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom. Third time, sides, top, sides, bottom. Last time, sides, top, sides, bottom. Now reverse. Left goes back, right goes front. 4 times around in the anti-spin. 3 more times. 2 more times. Last time. And now reverse again. Left, front, right, back. So sides, top, sides, down, sides, top, sides, down. Remember, left's under, right over. Top, sides, down, and sides, top, sides, down. And reset back down here. Left is underhand, right is overhand. We're going to do anti-spin. Left will go back, right will go front. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times around. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Come back down. Turn left. Bring your right point into underhand butterfly. Go into the hip reel. Come to the front in the butterfly. Come up to the pinwheel. Come down to the butterfly. Come down to the hip reel. Come up to the butterfly. Come up to the pinwheel. Now we'll add the extension on the right side, then the left side, then the right side, then the left side. 4 more times. Right and left and right and left. 2 more. Right and left. Last time right. Last time left. Come back down into the butterfly. Now into the hip reel. Now we're going to take our right poi, hit it on the outside of the right foot, and then it'll tap, and you'll turn left into overhand weave. And from this weave, open it up, stall your right poi to the right, turn right, and come into the underhand opposite hip reel. We're going to do that transition a couple times. So from here, hit the right poi on the right foot, turn left, come into overhand weave, and then we're going to take the right poi, stall it to the right as you turn to the right and come into the underhand opposite hip reel. Third set, hit the right poi on the right foot, turn left, come into overhand weave, and then take the right poi, let it come back to the side as you turn to the right, and then come into underhand opposite hip reel again. Hit the right poi on the right foot again, turn left, come into overhand weave, and open it up, stall your right poi back as you turn right and come into that hip reel. And then last time, take your right poi, hit it on your right foot, turn left, go into the overhand weave, and then open it up again, stall your right poi as you turn to the right and come back into the hip reel. And then from here, come back up to the butterfly, take your butterfly, drop stall, and then we're going to turn this into the counterclockwise sprinkler. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now this time I want you to turn to the right, come all the way around, 360 degrees back to here, and then sprinkler. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. And then we're going to turn to the right again. Ooh, try not to hit yourself as much as I'm hitting myself. And sprinkler. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Now come up and spiral over the head. Change direction. Now do the clockwise sprinkler. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, and now we're going to turn to the left. Go all the way around, come back to the front, and sprinkler for 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, and now we're going to turn to the left again, come all the way around, sprinkler again, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're going to sprinkler left again, come all the way around, and sprinkle 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, spiral over the head, change direction, and sprinkler the other way, 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, and spiral over the head, change direction again, and sprinkler the other way, 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, spiral one more time over the head, and come back the other way, and sprinkler 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, spiral over the head, and come out in the clockwise corkscrew, turn to the right, come all the way around, and then sync it up into the same time. Lift your right foot under your right leg, under your left leg, come all the way around, turning to the right, do it again, under the right leg, under the left leg, up over the head, do it again, under the right leg, under the left leg, up over the head, and we're in a clockwise corkscrew, and then come down and tap on your right hip,